morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. I hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Sriracha. So over here we have the subscribe button, we have the bell button, and we have the like button. I hope you guys can do all three by the end of the video. If not, it's okay. I am glad you guys are here. So currently we are in Biloxi, Mississippi. We just had dinner at the Palace Buffet, which is also known as the best buffet in Biloxi. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out that video yet, be sure to do so. I'll put a link up here and also in my description so you guys can check out that video. We booked a room here for the night, so I thought it'd be cool to give you guys a room tour. Just in case you guys do decide to come here in the future, you guys can have a general idea of how the room look like. If this is something that you guys are not interested in, you guys can click out the video. It's okay, I'm not gonna be mad. You guys can come back on Sunday for another buffet video. Anyways, if you're ready, let's go. AKA, Vamonos. When you guys get here, park on level 3 so you can have direct access to the casino and hotel. We picked this resort because it's the only smoke-free casino resort in Biloxi. It's important when you travel with kids. We booked this room through Expedia for $160.26, and that's just with the 10% discount. Check-in was fairly quick and easy. I asked if I can check out a little bit later, and they were more than happy to do it. Let's go check out the room. You do need your room key to use the elevator. Nice comfortable bed. You, mommy, and baby brother sleep all together on one side, okay? Daddy sleep by himself, okay? Good night. Alright, let me show you guys around. So over here we have a mini office space, then you have a big TV followed by a coffee maker. They do give you a full bottle of water for free, but the one big reason that we want to stay here was because of this, a mini refrigerator that you can actually use. They also have a room service menu, but it's only available on the weekends. If you want to smoke in this room, have $250 ready. Let me show you guys the closet area. Huge closet. See?
What is this?
We got iron board.
Why doing this?
So over here we have the sink area. Very nice section. It's good too. They do provide you with some lotion, a free shower cap, and mouthwash. Let's go check out the bathroom area. Look how big this thing is. Huge! They do provide you with conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. And just in case if you are wondering about the toilet. Flush real good too. I pay an extra $25 to get this jetted tub so that my wife can relax after a long drive. And I guess this is the magic fun right here. It's like a personal jacuzzi. Not like it mattered, but do you guys want to see the water in slow motions? Long day, no nap. Look what happened. TKO. Other one's still up. It was too dark to show you guys the view from our room, so I'll do it first thing in the morning. It's the view in the morning. Oh yeah. That's the oceans. Oh, look at you. Yeah, you sit mommy in the head? Yes. Oh. Let me show you guys the pool area and then we'll wrap up this video. In order to get to the pool, you have to use your room key to access this door. Take a secret elevator down to the first floor, walk through a tunnel to get to this door, and voila, you are here. The amazing secret pool. Here's a better view of the pool from above. So will I stay here again? Probably yes. The room was very spacious and it has a fridge, so I really like it a lot. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon.